Hi everybody, so I'm going to try this again. I tried it a second ago and my video decided to freeze, so maybe the second time will be the charm. My fabulous pal at Scrappy Apple, Leona, she and I were talking, and I told her that if there was anything that she carried that I had, I could do some demos for her. I'm nowhere near as good as the people that I watch when I do this, but I figured, hey, so she just got in the Dana Wakley gloss sprays, which I really love. I've used them a bunch of times. They're awesome. So I told her I would show her how to do them. And this is a little tag album that I got. I found it through following a girl I follow on YouTube called Vicky P. And so it comes as this whole little album, and you can put the tags together. So I did that part off camera. I attached all the tags and added some texture to them. And of course, as you can see, I've actually colored the first couple because I was doing that on camera and then my camera decided to freeze. So we will try again. But as you can see, they layer really, really cool. And you get the splotches actually just come naturally because it's an acrylic paint. So it sort of, you'll spray one and then the other one just kind of sits on top of it. And like I said, I didn't do anything except spray them, and you get all these really cool blends. So on this first page, I used magenta, which is a pink, and lemon, which is a yellow. And one thing that I will show you, so like I said, this is dry. And now that it's dry, sorry, my thing's gonna beep here. So now that it's dry, I can probably add some splotches to it. You'll hear you have to shake them before you use them because you can see there's a ball in them. I just realized I put the wrong tops on the wrong things, and because it's an acrylic, it is a plasticky, so you do have to make sure that you wipe the nozzle off. But yeah, so now this is dry. When you put another layer on, it'll just sit on top. So as you can see, I did that part, and I'm going to do the same thing. So like I said, after I've done something, well, I didn't spray it, but yeah, so shake this one, and I'm going to add some more splotches to the top, just so we get the color I want. And then because I want to show you the inside, I'm going to have to dry this, but they don't take that long to dry. Yeah, so I don't know if you can see, I've got splotches sitting on top, which is kind of cool. Let's dry this real quick. And then after I dry this, I can show you guys how... Sorry you can't see me drying it, my thing doesn't quite reach that far. But as you can see, it actually did not take very long to dry, so let's try this. Okay. Sorry, I've got a mess going on here. Alright, so like I said, the first two colors on the first page that I used were the magenta and which is a pink, and the lemon. Then on the next page, I used the turquoise. I love how Vicky P says turquoise. She pronounces it really cool. Turquoise. And lime. So that's a green. So I think on the next page... Oh, alright. The next page, I'm going to... Like I said, I'm kind of following Vicky's example, but the colors they all really blend really great. So far she's come out with, I think there's 12. So we got lime, turquoise, lemon, magenta, ocean. There's a white, which is really cool. What else is there? There is also, we have fuchsia, and eggplant, which is a dark purple. We've got marine, which is a very dark blue. We've got night, which is like a navy. Olive. And cheddar, which is like an orange. So probably gonna end up using them on other pages. But okay, let's try the ocean. So I know on Vicky's example, she did the ocean at the top. And then I'm not sure if you can, yeah, but as you can see, it's like I didn't do anything to it. This paper is just a mixed media cardstock, but you can see it's sort of making its own little cells as you go. And then I'm doing the magenta at the bottom, and they do blend really, really nicely. And then we're just going to add a couple of little bit of white at the top. Yeah, so, and I didn't follow my own example. I didn't wipe off my tops as I went. I tend to forget that. Of course, it's not a big deal because, like Vicky says, once all you have to do is if it forms a little film, you just pop it off. Yeah, so there you go. So I'm not going to dry this one in front of you guys. I don't think you need to worry about that, but try to hold this up a little bit. But there you go. That is what this stuff looks like. And I will, so when Leona, I'll get Leona to share this with you guys. And she has these at Scrappy Apple. You definitely should check it out. And I will also get her to show you guys the link to Vicky's page video, because she does the whole thing. And you can see how she decorates her album. And she's been doing this better than me, and her videos are way better. But like I said, if you guys like this tag album, it's called Art by Marlene, and I'm pretty sure that Leona can get that as well. So hope you guys like this, and bye.